Are you ready to transform your living space? In this video, we will show you 17 home and kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Organize your shower space effortlessly with the ODesign Shower Caddy. This innovative storage solution offers both convenience and style for your bathroom. Simply peel off the film, apply the adhesive, and place the caddy where you want it. The nano-adhesive technology provides a stronger, more durable hold than traditional suction cups. Designed with functionality in mind, these caddies feature a swift draining system. This clever design helps keep your bathroom dry and clean, preventing water accumulation and potential mold growth. Upgrade your juicing experience with the Juilist juicer machine. This innovative centrifugal juicer combines power, speed, and efficiency to deliver fresh, vitamin-rich juice in seconds. Featuring a powerful 800-watt motor, this juicer can process fruits and vegetables in just 8 seconds. The wide 3-inch feed chute accommodates whole fruits, reducing prep time and making juicing more convenient than ever. Choose from 3 speed settings to customize your juicing process. Use low speed for soft fruits like oranges and tomatoes, high speed for harder produce like apples and carrots, and the pulse function for maximum extraction. Elevate your cooking experience with Nuwave Nonstick Cookware. This premium forged cookware combines durability, performance, and health-conscious design to meet the needs of any cook, from novice to expert. Featuring the innovative Gen 10 Duralon blue coating, this cookware offers exceptional non-stick properties without harmful chemicals. It's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring your meals are as healthy as they are delicious. The Generation 10 ceramic coating, perfected over a decade, delivers fast, even heating, and effortless food release. With a hardness rating of 9H, just below diamond, this cookware is built to last. Organize your home with ease using the Lifewit clothes storage bag. This versatile storage solution comes in multi-pack options of 4, 6, or 8 bags, each offering a generous 60-liter capacity. Measuring 21.6 by 13.7 inch by 12.4 inches, these spacious organizers are perfect for storing winter clothes, sweaters, pillows, blankets, and quilts. The high-quality, odorless, breathable non-woven fabric ensures your belongings stay fresh and protected. Designed for convenience, each bag features a clear window for easy identification of contents. The durable two-way zipper creates a wide opening, allowing you to easily store and retrieve items without disturbing others in the bag. Streamline your meal prep routine with the CREST glass meal prep containers. This comprehensive 10-pack set includes 10 containers and 10 lids, perfect for organizing your meals at home or on the go. Crafted from high-quality, lead-free borosilicate glass, these containers are built to withstand temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. They're versatile enough for use in the oven, microwave, dishwasher, and freezer, though remember to remove the lids before microwaving or oven use. The eco-friendly plastic lids feature an airtight, leak-proof seal to prevent spills and keep your food fresh. Elevate your bathing experience with the Asvin soft textured bath mat. This mat protects your tub without the need for damaging suction cups, making it perfect for refinished or delicate surfaces. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this mat offers a comfortable, textured surface that's gentle on your feet while providing excellent slip resistance. It's an essential safety feature for homes with children or elderly residents, and suitable for both residential and commercial settings. The mat is soap scum resistant, quick drying, and won't leave residue on your tub. Transform your storage space with Homsorout closet organizer bins. These bins feature a unique trapezoid design with a lower front, allowing for easy visibility and access to your items. Crafted from high-quality non-woven fabric, these bins are reinforced with thick cardboard for enhanced durability and resistance to deformation. Delicate stitching adds extra sturdiness, preventing tears and ensuring long-lasting use. Experience convenience with the sturdy, well-stitched handles that make carrying and removing these bins from shelves effortless. When not in use, They fold flat for space-saving storage. Elevate your dining experience with imarku steak knives. These premium knives feature high-end steel blades forged from high-carbon and dense steel, ensuring durability and abrasion resistance. The ultra-sharp serrated edge is perfectly angled for effortless slicing. Experience exceptional balance and stability with the full-tang construction. The one-piece blade extends through the handle, secured by double rivets, guaranteeing long-lasting performance without bending or rusting. Enjoy the elegance of Packawood handles, a step above common plastic or unfinished wood. The ergonomic curved design offers a comfortable grip for precise cutting. Preserve your food's freshness with the Nesco Food Vacuum Sealer. This powerful 130-watt machine features a double vacuum pump, delivering 25.1 nhg of suction for optimal air extraction, even with larger food items. Enjoy versatility with 3 settings: dry, moist, and double. Choose between normal and gentle vacuum pressure to protect soft foods. The optional double heat seal provides extra security for liquid-based or moist foods. Experience effortless operation with the Easy Lock handle, designed for smooth, one-handed use. The built-in storage compartment accommodates any brand of vacuum sealer bags, while the integrated bag cutter allows for custom-sized bags. Revolutionize your bathroom cleaning routine with the Kaboom Toilet Bowl Cleaner System. This innovative product cleans your toilet with every flush, providing continuous freshness for up to 6 months. The system includes 2 refill tablets, each lasting 3 months, for a total of 6 months of automatic cleaning. Say goodbye to messy toilet wands and hello to effortless cleanliness. Continuous Clean Toilet Cleaning System easily attaches within your toilet tank, working silently behind the scenes to keep your bowls sparkling clean. Revolutionize your kitchen with this COSORI air fryer toaster oven. This versatile appliance boasts 13 functions, including air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, and rotisserie, unlocking endless culinary possibilities. Experience smart cooking at your fingertips with the VSync app, allowing you to control your oven remotely. For hands-free operation, connect to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Enjoy faster meal preparation with 4 heat elements, a 2-speed fan, and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking up to 30% faster than traditional convection ovens. Revolutionize your food storage with Bangp silicone freezer trays. With a 4-cup capacity, they're perfect for freezing soups, sauces, broths, and more. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone, these BPA-free trays are flexible, durable, and safe for use in the fridge, oven, and microwave. Note that the lid is not oven-safe. Say goodbye to disposable containers and hello to long-lasting storage solutions. The flexible silicone and separated divisions allow for easy removal of frozen cubes with a simple press from the bottom. The smooth surface is dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleaning. Maximize your bathroom space with the Homykic over-the-toilet storage unit. This 3-tier freestanding organizer utilizes vertical space, keeping your toiletries organized without crowding your floor. Standing at 66.7 inches tall, 24.8 inches wide, and 10.3 inches deep, this versatile shelf fits most standard toilets. Its bottom shelf sits 35.6 inches from the floor, providing ample space for your toilet. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this organizer combines strength with eco-friendliness. The smooth finish protects against scratches while offering effortless cleaning. These grinders feature a generous 100 milliliter capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills. The transparent container lets you easily monitor spice levels and differentiate between seasonings. Enjoy the convenience of USB-C fast charging with built-in rechargeable batteries. A single charge powers through at least 100 milliliters of spices, ensuring long-lasting daily use without disposable batteries. Effortless one-handed operation transforms your cooking routine. With just a button click, these electric grinders eliminate the need for manual twisting. An LED light illuminates while grinding, allowing precise seasoning control. Step into safety and comfort with the BEMISO Shower Mat. Crafted from eco-friendly TPE and PP materials, this mat offers a safe, comfortable surface for everyone from babies to seniors. Featuring over 160 suction cups on its underside, this mat clings securely to your tub or shower floor, preventing slips and falls. The textured surface and slotted panels provide additional grip, ensuring stability even when wet. Enjoy superior drainage with the mat's clever design. Slotted panels and drain holes allow water to pass through quickly, keeping your feet dry and the mat clean. When you're done, simply roll it up for quick drying. Create authentic, delicious pasta at home with the ISILER pasta machine. Its smooth roller ensures consistent texture, delivering perfectly chewy pasta every time. Featuring 9 adjustable thickness settings, this machine allows you to customize your pasta from 0.3 to 2.6 millimeters thick. Experiment with different textures and tastes to suit your preferences. The versatile cutter offers 2 width options, 2 millimeters and 6.6 millimeters, perfect for creating a variety of pasta shapes. From spaghetti to fettuccine, lasagna to dumpling skins, this machine caters to all your pasta making needs. Maximize your storage space with WANALIT vacuum storage bags. These innovative bags reduce volume by up to 80%, transforming cluttered spaces into organized, roomy areas. This comprehensive set includes 15 bags in 5 different sizes, from jumbo to travel roll-up bags. Whether you're storing bulky winter coats or packing for a trip, there's a perfect size for every need. WANALIT offers 2 convenient compression methods. Use the included electric pump for quick, powerful air removal, or simply press the bags by hand for on-the-go convenience.